try to appreciate or try to give a kind of credit, like if you are if you are giving the right things to the right user, that means you're just giving a better experience to the user. Whatever they are searching, the same thing they are getting into the ads there. So there'll be a relevancy, there will be a high CTR there. So obviously if you have a high CTR, then I'm going to just reduce the cost per click for you as compared to those who are having a low CTR. So here we understand one thing, that is a CTR importance. If you have a high CTR, you may get a less CPC for the same keyword, for the same type of ad, and for the same different filters there. Again, this is not a fundamental that having the keyword and the CTR only, that's the only metric there. Because let's take an example of like the same advertiser, or one advertiser who is relevant one, they're just serving ad to the local location, and the second advertiser who is having irrelevant ad or a generic ad, but they are serving to the entire nation, or they are having a bigger location. So actually the bidding differs, the actual cost per click differs for the same keyword based on the different locations. So if you are having a bigger reach, if you're having a bigger location, then you will have a different competition, whereas if you have a local location, then you will have a different competition. But overall, in a concept way, if you have a higher CTR, you will get a lowest CPR as per all your combination, or as per all your settings that you have done into your account there. Having the high CTR is always appreciable. Try achieving that one, and how you will be able to achieve that, we will discuss about like optimization tips. I'll try to show into a live account there also, how you can improve that one, how you can improve the relevancy one. But today we discussed about two things, two important metrics, three important basically: impression, clicks, and impression and clicks generate the CTR there. The fourth important metric is the CPC that we already discussed about, the cost per click. So the cost per click that you are getting, that you will be seeing into the Google Ads account, which will be showing you in terms of the currency, whatever currency you have used there. So you'll be seeing it depending. But the most important thing is getting the average CPC. Average CPC will be the cost, the total spend that you have done into the account, and the average of that total number of clicks. So cost divided by the clicks will give you the CPC. Normally you can see an actual CPC for a particular keyword on an average CPC on at the account or a campaign level or an ad group level that you can see there. So try digging into that data. Impressions, after impression clicks comes, clicks and impression generates CTR. Always try to improve the CTR to reduce the CPC, because the system is designed in such a way that if you're having a high CTR, you are going to give a less CPC, a less cost per click there. CTR is one of the important metric to reduce the CPC. There are few more components that you can work, but CTR is something that is one of the best thing that you can take a look and you can optimize that one. Cost we generated, the total amount that we spend, and then the CPC will be based on number of clicks you get. So cost divided by the clicks will give you the average CPC. Particular CPC you can see into the account by going there at the campaign level, ad group level, keyword levels, and even at the ad level also. Normally it's keyword level there, like because you are bidding, you are spending based on the every clicks there. So try checking that one. So next further, we get an impression, we get a click, we get a CTR, we spend certain dollar, we get an average CPC. What's the big deal? The big deal is getting conversion, getting the sales there. So that sixth metrics that comes, which is most important, is the conversion. How many sales you get it. So try checking the data, the conversion. If you have not set up the conversion into the account, let's try to discuss the conversions into the next lecture there, because everything cannot be covered. I'm just trying to go with the step-by-step thing, so that you try to correlate the things, you try to understand, okay, these things are not done, or these things are important, so that you can think and you can just implement those to make them relevant. So conversion is something like the actual action that you were looking for. You were looking for the sale, you were looking for the lead. Considering an example of doctor, you want someone to get an appointment there. Once user is searching like kids dentist near me, that they are looking for a kids dentist, they may be an urgent one, or they can schedule a meeting or appointment in certain days. Now try to understand why the meeting date and time is important. If one professional may not be looking to visit the doctor on the weekdays, they may be looking for a doctor who is available on the weekend. So they can search like dentist near me on Saturday, dentist near me on weekend. So that kind of keyword you have to think like, okay, there may be some user who will be looking for a specific time, specific demography, specific device or something. So where the device role will come? The device role will come like, if you have a website, again coming back to the further website optimization, if you have a website and under your website you don't have an appointment option available there, so what you will be losing, or what you will be getting, you will be losing like if a user from a mobile device, if they just click on that keywords by searching like kids dentist near me, and they just find your website, they land to your website, and they don't find anything to make an appointment, they don't find a phone number there to make an appointment or a call. So try adding. So this is one of the example where if you have not added the appointment option there, or it's not quite visible onto each pages where you are sending the user, then they may not contact you. So ultimately you are losing that traffic. Although everything is relevant, the keyword is relevant, the ad is relevant, the user is relevant, they just clicked on the ad, they landed to the website, but no action performed, you lost the money there. So try relating that and try working on the website, like what you are serving, what you are looking for, whether the same thing is available on the website or not. The same thing, let's take example of sports shoes. A user, if someone is searched for the sports shoe near me, they find the ad, they find it relevant ad because you have written the relevant ad. Your CPC is less, they clicked on the ads, they reached to the website, but they have not bought the product. Why? There may be the collection issue, there may be the pricing issue, there may be the price variant issue, there may be the product variant issue. So try thinking everything is relevant according to you, you set everything perfect, keywords, ads and everything, but it's not converting. So conversion is also important, and that's the main goal obviously for everyone. For a service based industry, leads, and for a sales based industry or e-commerce industry, conversion is a sale there. So today we just discussed about the 6 prime metrics there: impressions, clicks, CTR, average CPC, cost, and the conversion. I think for today I will just request everyone to just review the account, try understanding these things, and calculate the things there. And there are a few more important metrics, but we will discuss in the next lecture, where you'll be able to get more insight. But these are the basic metrics, and we'll talk about the conversion rate also. That is also important, but conversion rate is something that we need to observe when we see that the conversions have been set up there. So maybe there will be some account where you see that the conversions are not accurately set up, or what conversions are set up and what conversions are not set up there. So try checking the account. This lecture is going to be a little bit shorter, but it's being a little bit technical also, so I don't want to go into a long a lecture, so that you get a time to understand the things, relate the things, and then we will just discuss few more metrics, and then further we'll go into the keywords, ad copies, actual conversions, what are the conversions in the next lectures, like bidding strategies. There are different networks there, so we'll try to cover all those things so that you understand and implement the same thing into your account. For now, thanks for watching this. If you like my videos and you want to learn more further things, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, so that whenever I am posting it, you'll be getting straight into your notification, and then you can watch without losing any time. Thanks everyone. Enjoy. Bye.